Hey guys, just this quick video on how to use Google Chat, which is our new form of communication replacing Marco Polo. So you'll just go to Google, you'll log into your work email, then you'll click on this little grid system here, go to Chat, and then over here where all the rooms are, and our room numbers will stay the same as they were when we were at the MTC, at least for now they will. I don't know if that'll change or not. And you can just scroll down and find the rooms, or you can search right here for the room. Caitlin and James have actually been doing a really good job. And this is kind of what it looks like. So you'll just start, and it's a lot like Slack in that you can have a conversation back and forth. Uh, so, I mean, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I would encourage you to keep things like what we're seeing right here with James and Caitlin. Like these are, I wouldn't go much more than what you're seeing here. And if you need to go more in depth, just remember that you have comp meetings that you should be still holding once a week if you have missionaries. Let me know if you have questions or if you're having a hard time getting into chat. And just remember that you can find your classroom numbers on MTC Tools, or if you scroll up in the general page, you can see where Taylor has posted pickup, and she puts classroom numbers by your names and the districts that you're going to be having. Hope this helps. Thanks, everyone.